Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinens Grocery Stores. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I'm going to be showing you how to make some amazing avocado toast recipes. We're going to start this new year off on the right foot. I'm sure you've heard about all the craze of avocado toast. They are super good, super easy to make, but for me, I love an assortment of toppings. So I'm going to be starting off this recipe by prepping everything up and then assembling all of our avocado toast recipes. To start, I'm going to hard boil some eggs. Go ahead and add a pot of water to a burner and turn it on high heat because we need to bring it to a boil. Once it is boiling, we are going to go grab a few eggs and drop those into that boiling water. We want to cook these for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, we put a cap on it and then we turn the heat completely off, let it sit for 6 minutes. Boom, we're finished. Head over to the sink. What we're going to do is simply add in a bunch of ice cubes to help chill the eggs, bring them back down to more of a room cooler temperature. And in the meantime, while those are sitting, we're going to go back over our cutting board and do some prep. I'm going to be thinly slicing up some fresh radishes. These are going to be an awesome accompaniment to our avocado bread. The next thing we're going to do is peel up some fresh red beets. Once they are peeled, just like the radishes, we are going to run them on the slicer super, super thin. Go ahead and hold those in some water just so they don't sort of bleed everywhere, just like I did with the radishes, you can see in the background. And then I'm going to thinly slice up a hothouse cucumber. You can absolutely use a regular cucumber if you'd like. Go ahead and set that to the side. And then last but not least, I've got a red onion, which I'm going to thinly slice and set aside. Now it's time for the toast portion. Heinens has such a wonderful assortment of artisan baked breads right in the bake shop section of the grocery store. I've got a couple different kinds here. I've got some sweet potato bread, which is absolutely amazing, some pumpernickel, Italian, and last but not least, some multigrain bread. This part is completely up to you. Be sure to stop by their bake shop, see what they've got in fresh, and be sure to use that. This is what I saw, this is what I liked, so that's what I'm going to use in this avocado recipe. Just add those slices of bread right to a sheet tray lined with parchment paper. We're going in the oven on 400 degrees. It's going to take in between 12 to 15 minutes to get a nice light toast on these. And before I go any further, let me say that you can absolutely pop these in the toaster. I wanted to do this in sort of a large batch, so the oven was absolutely the easiest way for me to do this. Now go back over to your cutting board because we're going to prepare up some avocados. We've got some beautiful fresh avocados right from the produce section of Heinens, and to make sure that they are ready to go and ripe, if you squeeze them, they should be lightly firm, or if you remove the stem, it should be green behind it just like it is here. Now to slice. Go ahead and slice down until you hit the seed right in the middle and just sort of roll the avocado, let the knife do the work until it is sliced through. Next, simply twist to cut in half. You'll see the seed there. Using the butt end of the knife, go ahead and slice down into the seed, not too hard, please be very careful here, and twist until it is removed. Go ahead and discard, and now we've got two ways to prep. The first way, we're going to slice down while the avocado is still in the outside shell, and then using a spoon, simply carve all those slices out. We're going to set those to the side, and next for a mash, we are going to simply scoop out all of the avocado from the seed, put it into a bowl, squeeze in a little lemon juice to make sure it holds the color, and then mash away using a hand masher until it's pretty smooth with some nice little chunks in there. Go ahead and set that to the side. Now you can see that our avocado toast is done. It's time to plate up and make a few different avocado toast recipes. The first one we're going to start with is using some sweet potato bread. Go ahead and add the toast to the cutting board. Next, we're going to spread on the avocado mash all over, make sure it completely covers it. We are going to top off with a thin slice of prosciutto ham, a small slice of delicious burrata cheese, and we're simply going to finish it with some microgreens. For the next avocado toast recipe, go ahead and put down a slice of multigrain. This time I'm going to be using some sliced avocado. And to finish, I'm simply going to put on a hard-boiled egg and a little bit of pepper. Next, put down a pumpernickel slice. We're again going to add some mashed avocado over and be sure to spread it so that it completely covers it. We're gonna put on some sliced beets and finish it off with some crumbled feta cheese. Next, some Italian bread. We're gonna spread on some mascarpone cheese, gonna add some amazing flavor here. Hit it with some sliced avocado, and then simply finish it off with some salt and pepper. Next, let's do another slice of pumpernickel bread. Again, we're gonna add the mashed avocado all over so it completely covers it. I'm going to top off with a slice of delicious smoked salmon, some sliced cucumbers, radishes, and last but not least, some sliced onion. And for the last avocado toast recipe, we're gonna put down some multi-grain bread, some sliced avocado, make sure it covers the bread. We're gonna hit it with a hard-boiled egg, some burrata cheese, and last but not least, some microgreens. Our avocado toast recipes are finished. They look amazing, they smell amazing, and the coolest part about these is you get the opportunity to be completely creative and do whatever you want. If you want to change up and maybe add some bell peppers and some grilled chicken, sort of little Mexican style, or you want to, gosh, I mean, the possibilities are completely endless with this avocado toast recipe. But if you want to just start somewhere, these are a really great place because all of these are absolutely amazing. Be sure to get these avocados and assorted awesome artisan breads from your favorite Heinens grocery stores. And be sure to visit Heinens.com to see all of our amazing recipes. I've got some avocado toast to eat. Catch up with you later.